Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making Caribbean Rum Punch. It involves pineapple juice, orange juice, a rum of some sort, I'm assuming it's white rum, triple sec and grenadine, and some Sprite, which I don't have over here for some fucking reason, and Sprite. I already downed the size of this because this requires cups, and I'm not doing cups. We're just going to go ahead and down into making this. Should be relatively easy. Sorry, excuse me, I already forgot the cups, hold on. I think it's supposed to be shaken, but I'm not doing that because I'm lazy. You need 2 ounces of orange juice, which I think I might have overdid, not entirely sure. It's absolutely perfect. First line on the, I don't know why I'm trying to close that up. First line on the solo cup gives you 2 ounces. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Sorry, I'm rushing this because my camera died already before. 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of rum. I'm gonna go with 1.5 ounces for right now. 1/4 ounce of triple sec. 1/4 ounce of grenadine. Yummy. Which I spilled so much shit all over this bar. Which makes a rum punch. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up and give it a shot. Ooh. Instead of white rum, I think what would really go well here is actually coconut rum. Because it didn't specify what type of rum is used in this drink, unfortunately. I think coconut rum would work really well with this, other than white rum. Possibly spice rum. Where did this come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Sorry. Anyways, yeah, I think coconut rum would work really well with this. It's the pineapple juice and the orange juice blends, but it's not. Oh, I forgot the Sprite. Let me try that again. 1 ounce of Sprite. God damn it. Sorry, let me try that again. That tastes a lot better, by the way. So the Sprite and orange juice and pineapple juice actually blends quite nicely together. After drinking some of it, I probably should have went a little less on Sprite. And actually, I put in like 2 ounces of Sprite for some fucking reason. Stupid me. It's only supposed to be 1 ounce of Sprite. I kind of fucked that up. I'm trying to go quickly because I don't want my camera to die so quickly. It's not... The orange juice and the pineapple blend and the triple sec blend quite well together. If I use probably regular Sprite, it might taste better because I'm using 0 sugar Sprite instead. Sorry, I'm licking my fingers because I accidentally dropped a bunch of grenadine on my fingers for some fucking reason. Probably drunkenness, honestly. But overall, it's not a bad drink. If I probably added the Sprite, it would probably taste a lot better before drinking out of this. Can't really feel the burn or anything. It's everything blends together pretty well. The grenadine just adds a little bit more sugar to it. The zero sugar doesn't really add too much to it. Probably regular Sprite would probably work better, or lemon lime soda, whatever you want to use. But overall, not a horrible drink. I'd recommend you give it a try and go from there. If you guys have any drink, shots, or any type of recipe, cocktail ideas, anything like that, leave a comment down below and I will get to them at some point. I know my some point doesn't mean anything to you guys. It'll probably be relatively right away within the week, or a little later than that, probably within the month. Probably a little earlier than that, but it'll just kind of depend. And I'll make a video on them, and I'll try them out and give my opinion. With that, I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.